The Helios Scholars at TGen is a paid summer internship program that offers students the opportunity to spend a summer honing their skills side by side with TGen faculty and staff. In this 8-week program, interns work full-time on a research project under the mentorship of a TGen scientist to better understand genetic components of diabetes, neurological disease, or cancer. At our TGen North location in Flagstaff, interns are able to consider public health and pathogens.
Because it's so much different than any other scientific internship you could do. It's not getting coffee and running errands, but each student takes charge of a project with their own scientific hypothesis to answer while they're here. On top of that, TGen really emphasizes training scholars for their future, so there are career-building seminars throughout the summer as well. You'll get a lot of time with almost everyone in our lab to ask questions and learn the whole process, from sample preparation to reporting results. And not to brag, but our lab definitely has the most fun too.
My last scholar had the opportunity to work on a mitochondrial disease project related to a genetic disorder that affects children. They were instrumental from seeing the very early stages of the project, where they helped in growing tissue cell lines, and completed the project through isolating protein and running a protein Western blot experiment to study the functionality of the proteins affected.
At first, it's pretty much an all-day, everyday hands-on training and explaining the big picture and the concepts of the project. And we want that to be really informative and to make sure that we do a good job teaching the scholar and make sure the scholar gets it, because the better and the more intense that first week is, the more independently the scholar will be working for the remaining 7 weeks. So after the first week, it's more about guiding the student, checking in daily, but mostly waiting for questions and initial results.
In terms of the work conducted in my laboratory, a scholar will mainly work with myself and other professional staff or colleagues. There will of course be opportunities for the scholar to work with others of their cohort. Still, I believe that the best use of their time will be garnered by direct interaction with professional staff and colleagues.
Patience. We want the scholars to succeed just as much as they want to, and each scholar is unique. The internship is only 2 months, so there is a lot of communication that is necessary, patience, and collaboration to keep things moving forward. It's also been amazing to see how much the community in Arizona supports the scholars along the way.
If you're interested in applying for the 2021 Helios Scholars at TGen program, our applications are open now and close at 5 p.m. on February 5th. For more information on eligibility and to access the application, go to tgen.org/intern. Will you be our next Helios Scholar?